as if there's an update to this here shoe. Retro this thing again. And it has arrived. What's up everybody, it's your girl TJ here, back with another video, Talks with TJ, aka TJ to Swoosh Change. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. We all know from the title, it's a video. Hopefully you're excited to see, because I know I was excited when I saw the shock drop for this shoe. Yeah, you know what it is, okay? This is for the Air Jordan BRED 4, alright? I will go ahead, I'll put the card, I'll put the link somewhere. You guys can see when I actually did hit on that shock drop, thanks to the J23 app. Now, if it is your, you're a continuous viewer of all of my videos, it means you're probably subscribed, and I appreciate you, rock with you. You already know, humbled by the fact that you watch tons of my videos. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If I happen to show up in your recommended videos based on, this being one of the hottest drops of the year, I appreciate that YouTube algorithm. And hopefully you like what you see and you go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified. And if you like the video, you can hit that thumbs up. If you do not, guess what? Not going to be offended. You cannot please everybody. Now, I know a lot of people took L's when it came to this. I know people were mad, upset. Just trust me, I get it. So we know this is that older boy. This is that older joint that could use some updating, right? We're all aware, right? We got little chips in the paint there, but I wasn't hating. I wear my shoes. You know that these things happen. But your girl has been blessed. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this. Thank goodness I have a private, private entrance to my door. We've got boxes just being, just advertised with Nike on them, unfortunately. Now, you guys know, I wear a grade school. I don't get the cool boxes that all you adults get. I don't get the cool boxes, but hey, you know what it is. Air Jordan 4 Retro GS Black, Fire Red, and Cement Gray. I did go ahead, so I go true to size in these. I will be honest though, for, I think actually these, so when I was able to, so with these and I think the other pair that I have dead stock, that is the 2012 pair, they are not, they're actually a little bit bigger, but I just went ahead and went true to size for these. So these are true to size 2 for me. Out of 6, those just happen to be 6.5 in white cements. What weird after you open a Jordan 1 and then there's no spell with the 4. Oh my heavens. Y'all, the girl has been blessed. Woo! Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my goodness. I just want you to just take a look. Let's just take a look. I'm super excited just opening this because, I make sure I make my rounds of watching videos of people that got these in hand earlier. I know wear testers got them in and they were just commenting on, the heel tab here on the back. Now, I think this one is a little bit more stiff. And I definitely think it's a little bit harder than, say, this one. Now, this one has wear in it, of course, but a little bit probably harder than what the men's size will be. I like that the netting is a lot more malleable. I think it's a lot more malleable there. I appreciate that, Jordan. This nubuck is nice and dark. It's that rich nubuck here, that nice suede. It's not a little bit ashy. I'm not going to say this is terribly ashy, but it's not hitting. It's not hitting like this here. And then we all know what we came here for, right? If we're really trying to compare, we know what we came here for the Nike Air on the back. I'm appreciative of the Jordan 4 period, okay? But the fact that the Nike Air is on the back means the world to your girl. Go ahead and get this other baby out of here. I don't destroy my boxes, so I'm not knocking this off. But I just want you guys to be able to see this. Now, of course, we know the differences always with the you know, grade school versus a men's pair. We don't get a hang tag. That's just a thing. Would I wear the hang tag? Possibly. I mean, I still have the zip tie on my off-white, so I would possibly wear the hang tag, but it's not even really an option. It's not even anything that is discussed because, yeah, we know what it is, right? But I just want to be able to give you guys my first thoughts on this. I will go ahead. I will have an on foot. I will have an outfit look. I will have all of that for you, but just immediately getting this in, I want to make sure I can do that true justice. It's a little bit crappy weather outside. I want to make sure that I can do all of that true justice for you guys. I feel that you deserve that, but I still wanted you to be able to get a look at this in hand that I have it, especially for ladies. If you're going, if you're like me and you still wear GS sizes, right? So if you're a woman and you wear up to a women's 8.5, I mean, you can still wear a GS 7. I wanted to be able just to give you a look at this here. That's all I wanted to be able to do. Get this open, get this box open for you guys and see it. I'll probably go ahead and try to do a slow one for you as well, because I know you guys like seeing that from what I've been told, the positive feedback that I get from you guys. But just giving you a look, and everything inside. So, you know, a lot of you interacted with me. You let me know if you took an L, if you took a W on the shock drop. If you took an L, it doesn't matter. I think if you put in the legwork, you'll be able to get this pair for yourself. I just think that's what it is. So we gotta play the game sometime. Trust me. Outside of this, I take so many L's on the secret tab, so please don't feel like I'm special. I take so many L's on the secret tab. Your girl was happy to get these. Everybody's like, why would you get these now? And I think I've already addressed that in that video, because yeah, I will be working the release, but the Crimson Tint 1 kind of opened my eyes. You don't really ever know still what your store stock is going to be like. I didn't want to be in a position where I could maybe not get this one, so I was okay. Like, this shoe is that special. I was okay to pay the $140 for it plus tax. And you know, I don't really know about the whole doubling up thing. This is why I don't know about doubling up. Because I'm not even I can't even rock a ton of sneakers during the work week because I'm in business casual attire, so it's not like I run my shoes that badly into the ground before they retro again. But I'm excited. This is a blessing to start my day off, or I should say start the weekend off, you know, Good Friday. It's a damn good Thursday. How about that? Damn good Thursday. So your girl is excited. I'm happy. Thank you so much just for taking the time out to view this here short video. Do you know, is this still on your agenda to cop on May 4th? May the power of the 4th be with you. Going out to cop the Air Jordan 4, you know, BREDs, black cements. I don't care what you call them. Just understand it's an amazingly dope shoe. Hopefully you are picking this up. Hopefully you don't sleep on this. Thank you guys so much once again. Always love, appreciate you, and oh my god, yeah, I'm monetized. Peace out.